Hi guys, wanted to make this video because of what you guys just saw. The prongs had split from this setting, which is I bought this setting from downtown Los Angeles while I was rushing to send this ring out to the client, and I had no choice to go the fast route. And I've purchased this gold setting 18 karat yellow from Los Angeles downtown, and I made the band with the pulling the wire and everything, laser it together. While I was lasering, I could hear the popping noise because two different alloys would didn't want to mix with each other, and that was something that I was struggling with. But I thought it was gonna be fine. It's just that now that um, I finished the ring. I came back. I was just hammering it just to make it round, and next thing I know, the diamond flew off because this was something that previously I've worked, and then the band wasn't good. I was replacing the band, but for some reason, the laser doesn't make the gold that hot. Usually, if the alloy is not a good alloy, when it gets hot, the gold will split. It's very weird. This is how the monocules, I think the gold works this way. I've seen this before many times. It's just that when this happened, I got so frustrated. I was so not happy with this. What I purchased from downtown Los Angeles. I mean, I wanted to make this video. I'll put it out there for you guys just to warn you guys. Be careful when you buy all this gold. They're never good alloy. It's then time and time you'll come across to something like this that it's gonna take your time and your work. Everything's gonna go for waste kind of because I have to restart. I'm gonna most likely make two loops and put four prongs. Make this setting from beginning. I have no choice. I have to put out nice work for my clients, and this is something where sometimes when you go the long way, it's always sometimes, and most of the time it's better to put out that kind of quality out instead of this. Because I was rushing, I went this route, and I'm so not happy with this, and this is like uh, really not good. This is so frustrating. Right now it's almost 11 o'clock at night. I have no choice but to pull new wire and make this setting and then put it back together, reset the stone, and repolish. But I just wanted to warn you guys: be careful when you buy this kind of gold. This is, very not good for putting out a quality work. As you guys know, this, on visuals, I put out a bunch of videos about how to make tools and to work on wax and what. But this is something where I felt like I should put it out there for you guys to be aware of what happens when it's a bad alloy or whatever they're using in this gold. This is not good at all. I wonder if this gold was in U.S. made gold. It could be overseas gold. I don't know, but this is what's coming to the market. So you just have to be aware. I mean, I can't believe what I saw. Like literally, the gold split from from the wire, from like, I don't know how to say it. It's almost like when you cut the watermelon, like a little parts. It almost like that. It's split. It's so weird. So just be aware. I'm gonna show you guys for a second what happened closer. Hopefully, you guys have any questions. You can just shoot a text over the YouTube and just let's have conversation about this kind of work. I can't believe it. There you go. This is like the two parts fell off, and you can see the split, how it's splitted right there. I'm gonna come closer, see if we can show a little better. Right there, it's not zooming, but right there. All right, anyhow, thank you for watching, Let me know if you guys want to know anything about tools. Most likely in a little while I'll make a video for you guys. There's a lot of stuff that I want to share with you guys. It's just that I've been so busy I don't have much time, but I will make an effort. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it.